This topic is about transpose of a given matrix. So in transpose of a given matrix, the row will be converted to column and column will be converted to row. So if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is given. So these are the rows. So if you take transpose, I have to convert this row into column. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this will come this way. Okay, so how to do this is you will be having two arrays. One is called as the original array. This one is called as the new array that is created. So we'll have to declare two arrays. So when we see here, we have the data declaration. Like you'll be having like you see the declaration part ij. This is the new input matrix and this is the new matrix that is used to store the transpose. So that is used only in the declaration and while printing. Okay. So after that, what we have to do is taking the input. So how do you take the input? I will be taking the input by giving the row, column and the loop, and then I'll be taking the input called as a of ij. So after taking the input, I will have to go to the printing block. So here I will be printing a of ij. After printing, what I do is I'm going with the calculation block. So all of you know that I is row and j is column. So I have to convert column and row, so it becomes j and I. So if we see here b of ji is equal to a of ij, that is this matrix is converted into a column matrix. Got it? Now I have to print it. So before printing again, I will be taking all the values. I will be taking the looping and then I will be taking the values and then I will be printing b of ji. Then I get the transpose.